Now we're going to talk about some different types of shadow brushes. First, we're going to go over base shadow brushes. I have two kinds, one that is for pressed powder and one that is for loose powder. Today I'm going to use a pressed powder, but the good thing about this brush is when you're using a loose powder, everything goes on very lightly and smoothly, whereas this brush might give you a little too much concentration. So like I said, I'm going to be using a pressed powder eyeshadow. I'm going to start with a neutral iridescent color. I love using these palettes because it gives you a wide variety of colors. And you're just going to start kind of from the lash line out, covering the entire eye, working up to the brow bone, and again out. Just gives it a nice shimmer, but it's very light. So essentially you want to hold the brush like it's a pencil and just sweep it lightly across the eye, like you would be drawing on the face. So again, in my example, I used a powder shadow, so I used a powder shadow brush. If you're going to use a loose powder, what you want to do is lightly swirl it on the brush again and make sure that you lightly blow to get rid of excess so it doesn't get all over the face.